President William Ruto ni atongoririe mambura ma gutiriha mathomo kuri mbeũ njithi makiria ma 18,000 ruhonge-ini rwa NYS mwena wa Girigiri kaunti-ini ya Nakuru na marikitie kwamukira mathomo maikiro itiganite na iria ikumateithiriria gutura mieke ya mawira. Akiaria hindi ya igongona riri, Ruto oigite namba ya makurutu ni kuongererwo kuma 18,000 nginyagia 100,000 ihinda-ini ria miaka 3 yukite.
This Pass Out Parade is not merely a transition. It is a launching pad into a lifetime of contribution, leadership and transformation.
Kuringana na Ruto, kuongererwo kwa namba ino kuguteithiriria mbeũ njithi kugia na utauku wa gutura mieke ya mawira kurumirira mathomo ma kothi ngurani iria mamukagira.
These graduates have been thoroughly trained and have satisfied the requirements to move to the next phase of the National Youth Service programs, which is the National Service.
Some of you will advance into higher training in agriculture, ICT, engineering, and hospitality, becoming the skilled professionals who will drive our industries forward.
Hamwe noguo, Ruto ni athiite ministry ya ugitiri wa thiini kugatigirira mbeũ njithi aya ni maheo mieke 4,000 woyani-ini wa makurutu ruhonge-ini rwa borithi.
I challenge you, as I do all Kenyans today, we must rise above the average and dare to embrace greatness.
Oho tabarĩra ya waki wa nyũmba cia raithi nĩtanyĩtwo kuongererwo namba ya aruti a wĩra kuma 320,000 nginyagia 640,000 itanya inene arĩ gũthondekera mbeũ njithi mieke ya mawĩra.
Across every ward in Kenya, 100,000 young people will each receive 50,000 startup capital. Next month, the first batch of 54,000 young men and women will receive these funds and begin their training.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wambui wa Njũgũna.